Hey guys, welcome back to monkweb. This is Ayush, and in this video we're gonna be covering what is MEAN and what is MERN. So these are really two hot topics in web development. So let's just jump right into it, shall we? Okay, so the number one question that will be coming to your mind is: are these new languages? Like MEAN is a new language, or MERN is a different language. So the answer is no. These are not languages. Okay, but these are basically stacks. Okay, so what are stacks? Stacks are basically different technologies bundled together and serve it to you, because then you don't have to go to different technology to learn different things. You can just go through these stacks and just it will give you a full picture about front end, back end, and database. Okay, so yeah, and let me just explain what is MERN and MEAN. So now you can get it right. So MERN is a combination of four letters and four different technologies, right? Which are namely a Mongo, Express, React, and Node. So the Node and Express are used in server side, so they are used as server side logic, and React is basically for the front end stuff, for the client side, and the MongoDB is basically the database. Okay, and similarly the MEAN is no different. The React there, the R is replaced by the A here. So the React and Angular are two basically the front end technologies, and the war is between these two. So yeah, this is a difference, basic difference between MERN and MEAN. Okay, so the next one is: are these stacks enough to learn web development? So I mean, you can say that, but no, these are not enough, because if you noticed, everything here is a JS, right? Angular JS, Node JS, and Express. So these are basically frameworks and libraries of JavaScript. So for these you have to first learn JavaScript, because these all technologies written in JavaScript. Okay, so and for JavaScript of course you have to learn HTML and CSS. Okay, so these are not enough, but yeah, these after learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, this is what you can go further ahead. Okay, and this will provide you a full overview of front end, back end, and the database. Okay, so yeah, this is the answer to that. And the next one is now of course you are thinking is there are two options, right? So which one to choose? So basically this is a really a subjective question, because you have to then research in your country that what are the opportunities available for the MERN and MEAN. Okay, so whatever there is, you can just go with that. But if you don't want to do that, you can just go with the MERN. Okay, it's the React, because React is now becoming really famous. Angular was famous till React came, but now everyone is just jumping onto the React train, because everyone is just really simple to use and it's really powerful. Okay, so yeah, this you can choose a MERN stack. And yeah, I think that is it for the video, guys. And if you want me to make another video about explaining you the roadmap of web developer, so you just let me know in the comment section and I'll do that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.